So, hi everybody, it is Holly, and I am just making this video to vent my frustration. It has been a morning from absolute hell trying to figure out what the cost of delivering a baby in Colorado is. I called Kaiser, who our insurance provider will be. I called Banner, where we're going to be delivering the baby. And I didn't just call one of these numbers once. I called 3 numbers for Kaiser, sat on hold for a half an hour each time, just to be told, I'm sorry, I don't have the answer to your question. You should call this number. Finally, I called Banner Health, where we would be delivering the baby through one of the hospitals, either in Loveland or Fort Collins. And they didn't have answers for me 3 numbers later. I got fed up, so I went to McKee Medical Center, which is the hospital that my wife wants to deliver her baby at, and where lots of our friends and family have, and it's a Banner facility, the only one in Loveland, so it makes sense, since we live there, to deliver our baby there. Well, I go, and the person in registration tells me that they can't give me any of the costs, none of the figures, not a single one, not even a roundabout answer, because they don't know what the fees are going to increase to next year. So with that, I decided to come to Fort Collins, to the new Banner Hospital. I know for a fact that those numbers are on a computer screen somewhere that those people have access to. I know that because I work for a private practice physician, and I have access to all of those numbers. These hospital systems, healthcare in America in general, is a fucking joke. For me to spend the last 6 hours of my day trying to get a roundabout number of what the cost to deliver a baby in Colorado is, and not get a straight answer, is atrocious. I do not understand what is wrong with the system right now if somebody can't get the price. There are people on Medicaid that don't even think about what these things cost. They have absolutely no idea because it's covered by taxpayer-funded insurance. There are people with plans through their work who don't even think about what these things cost because they have, a couple $1,000 deductible, if that, and they don't have to worry about out-of-pocket maximums because all of these things are covered. Me and my wife, we have to purchase health insurance privately, which is going to be about $12,000 for the year, and that's great. That's all well and good. But in speaking with different people to find out that we have to pay 35% of the cost of the delivery and prenatal care and OBGYN services, cool, whatever, 35%, that's wonderful. Well, let's find out how much that cost is for us. It's been impossible to find out how much that cost is going to be for us. Finally, I went to the Banner Hospital in Fort Collins, where I'm at now, and they were able to tell me that the cost is going to be approximately somewhere between 6 and 13,000 for a regular vaginal birth, and that's just the facility fee. That's not the OBGYN. So then I go down to the OBGYN clinic to try to figure out what their fees are, because the nice lady that actually gave me the roundabout figures for the facility fee told me where to go. They told me that I had to call a phone number in order to find that out. Well, I call and somebody can't give me an answer, and then refer me to somebody else to leave them a message. So I do that, go back to the nice lady that gave me the original numbers. She rolls her eyes and tells me approximately 3,000. Thanks, lady. You're the one that needs to be in charge of all of these yahoos that can't give me the information I need. Honestly, the next time I have to deal with healthcare costs in America, I'm going to ask who is the person that can give me the straight answer, because if you're not it, I'm going to hang up right now. Sorry, just needed to vent on that. So, approximately, with insurance, the cost to give birth in Colorado with insurance that covers that costs $12,000 a year. It's somewhere between $3,000 and $5,000 out of pocket on top of that. Thank you very much. There's my frustration. Fuck the system, and I'm out. Talk to you later.